Hello everybody, welcome to the latest video from our train, and today we're at Fitzwilliam on the Leeds branch of the East Coast Main Line. Today you'll be seeing stopping services by Northern Rail and through services by East Midlands Trains, Cross Country and Virgin Trains East Coast. So let's get started here at Fitzwilliam. Enjoy. Arriving is the delayed 1414 Northern service to Sheffield from Leeds. Number 142022. We shall watch it depart in a few minutes. Departing platform 1 is the delayed 1414 Northern service to Sheffield from Leeds. It's going via Barton-on-Dean. 142022. Formed of a 142 pacer. And the one that brought me in was a class 144. 144003. Now is a Virgin Trains East Coast service to London King's Cross from Leeds. '82 208 and 91 115. That's 82 208 and 91 115. On a Virgin Trains East Coast service to London King's Cross. We shall go on the other side now. That was a Virgin Trains East Coast high-speed train service to Leeds from London King's Cross. I don't know the front number, but the rear number was 43308. The front train was the Spirit of Sunderland. So, I know that though. Coming through now is a cross-country class 221 Super Voyager. With a service to Aberdeen. Arriving into platform 1 is the 1444 Northern service to Doncaster. And arriving into platform 2 is the 1445 Northern service to Leeds from Doncaster. We'll watch this arriving first, because it is coming in first. 321901. Its display is not working. And 321902. Sorry for that bit of lag there. Departing platform 1 is the 1444 Northern service to Doncaster from Leeds. 321901. And now departing platform 2 is the 1445 Northern service to Leeds from Doncaster. 321902. Coming through now is a cross-country service. A cross-country Voyager service to Penzance. 220 Voyager. Yeah, I couldn't get the numbers because it was going so fast. So never mind about that. Coming through platform 2 is a Virgin Trains East Coast service to Leeds from London King's Cross. 91 at the front. '91, 130, and 82 to 13. Now coming through platform 1 is a Virgin Trains East Coast service to London King's Cross from Leeds. HST. '43 319 and 43 307 off to London King's Cross from Leeds. Now arriving into platform 2 is the 1508 Northern service to Leeds from Sheffield. It's come via Barton-on-Dearne. 144021. It's a 3-car pacer. This is all we have time for today. I really enjoyed it here, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, and if you like what I do, press the subscribe button. Also press the notifications button so you can know when I've uploaded a video. So I shall see you another time. Goodbye.